Janik here with Northwind Perennial Farm, and here I'm gonna talk about changing the garden bed to fit the function or get the most out of what you want for a garden. So here is a little park bench with a garden planting behind it, and as you saw in the initial starting stage, there was a circle behind the bench, and in order to really experience this garden, you kind of want to be engulfed in it. So we changed the form of the bed to more of a kidney bean shape, so that way when you're using the bench, you're actually in the garden and you get to experience it more. With just what the circle behind the bench is nice, but it's more of a visual piece then, and you don't really get to experience the full potential of the garden. And we're gonna now start planting, and you'll see an after picture once it's all said and done. Talk to you soon. Here we are at the garden with the plants finally in the ground, and as you can see, these plants are now coming around the bench so that people will get the full experience for this garden. And the plants we chose should attract butterflies, and so we have plants that are abundant in flowers, as well as a little blue stem, which is a native grass that actually houses the butterfly larva. So we'll be able to get all stages of a butterfly form, and that'll bring and increase the chance of more butterflies. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll check in with you guys again soon.